make manually blowing out beds a thing of the past. The Kiwi Camping Rover mats are super comfy and inflate in seconds. Soft and cushy, the Rovers have been designed for maximum comfort and durability.
The Rovers come in 4 different sizes, from the spacious Queen all the way down to the adventurous Lite.
The Rover Queen, Double and King Single comes with an easy to use 3-way valve system, which makes it easy for inflation and deflation. To inflate your Rover, simply remove from the carry bag, remove the straps,
and turn the valve to open, and simply wait till it inflates.
Once your Rover is fully inflated, spin the valve to the inflate setting and close the valve.
When you inflate your Rover for the first time, it may take slightly longer to inflate, but it will get faster the more you use it.
When it's time to leave the campsite and head for the hills, simply open the valve at the end
and start rolling towards the valve. Once you have done the first roll, simply change the valve to deflate and roll back out again. You may have to do this once or twice to get all the air out of the mattress. Once you are happy with the size, add the compression straps and put it into the carry bag. The Rover Lite is slightly different. You'll need to unroll and undo the 2-way valve and then simply let self-inflate. When it comes to deflating your Rover Lite, simply open the valve, fold in half lengthwise and fold towards the valve. Add the compression straps, that'll make it easier to put it into the carry bag.
If you'd like to know more about the Rover range, head to our website.